Hi guys, welcome to another WorthyWize tutorial here on YouTube. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to this channel if you want to see more of such tutorials. So today I'm just showing you how you can change your default search engine on Microsoft Edge. Have you noticed sometimes that when you search for something in the search bar here, for instance, if you search for books on sale, you find that by default, Microsoft Bing is the search engine that you're using. And maybe for some reason, you prefer Google or Yahoo or another search engine apart from Microsoft Bing. So how do you change that? So I'm going to show you step by step, and it won't take too long. It's very simple. So you go to the top right menu, and there are these three dots on your right that you can click, and then go to settings, and on the left there is profile, there is search, profiles, and then there is privacy, search and services. Click on privacy, search and services, then scroll down until you see address bar and search. Then you click that, and you are going to find a place called search engine used in the address bar, and you are going to select your favorite search engine. By default, Microsoft Edge comes with Bing because Bing is a Microsoft search engine. So by default, their browser comes with that search engine set by default, just like Google Chrome comes with Google as the default search engine. So you can now switch to your favorite search. For this video, select Google. If you want to manage search engines and add more, you can come to this window, and you will be able to add more search engines. So we have set our default search engine, and we are good to go to try it. Let's try it. Books on sale. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to this channel to keep me going, and to also keep updated about the latest tutorials. Thank you.